from Williams Crawford, and we are lucky enough to be back out in another fabulous Porsche. This time we are out in the 991.1 Turbo, so a 3.8 litre 6-cylinder turbocharged engine, producing I think 520 brake horsepower and giving a phenomenal drive. First offered at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show, the Porsche 991 Turbo offers the perfect blend of usability and supercar performance. With a significant power increase on the previous 997 Turbo, the 991 Turbo was also introduced with all-wheel drive, which, even for someone who drove a Defender into work this morning and struggled to get 50 mile an hour up the hills, it handles so well. So other than the obvious driving experience that you get with this Porsche 911 Turbo, I think my favourite thing about this car is the appearance of it. They look absolutely brilliant. So this car in particular, you've got the sliding sunroof, which just adds to the driving experience. But we've also got then the smoked rear tail lights, which I think adds a real stealth look. Even though this is a white car, it still has a really cool look to it. I think the car that was unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show was actually a white example back in 2013. You also get the 20-inch turbo wheels as standard, and as we walk past the bigger rear arches you get on the Turbo and those big air intakes, we get onto the interior of the Turbo, which is the epitome of luxury and comfort. We've got the red seat belts optioned in this car, which is a really nice touch and just gives you that sporty feel whilst you're driving. We've also got the contrasting red stitching, which again just all ties in nicely with what this car gives you as a feeling. We've got the red seat belts, the red stitching. You are driving a car that is designed to do 200 miles an hour, but you're so comfortable doing it. So when me and Harry were coming up with the idea to take the 991 Turbo out for a drive, I purposely wanted to start it with the front of the car, because I think when you consider that this car is over 10 years old now, it looks phenomenal. It's done barely 40,000 miles, and if you covered up that registration plate, I don't think you'd actually know how old this car is. The ergonomics and how Porsche designed the look, it's just brilliant. It still looks modern, contemporary, and ultra cool. Despite being a very muggy 21 degrees in Cornwall today, the icy aircon makes you feel quite at home, and when it does get down to those cooler temperatures, heated seats on this car are a really nice bonus. I can't stop smiling. It is so quick. One, how did Porsche get away with making a road car this fun and this quick? And just like that, we're back at the showroom, and whilst I can't possibly summarise how special this car feels to drive and be around, I do know one thing, and I'd be booking the ferry straight to Roscoff and heading for the Autobahn. If you wanted to do the same, please feel free to give myself, Andy or Ross a call to find out more information on this fantastic car.